Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a Google or Gmail account to your iPhone 16 running iOS 16. This process is quickly and easy, so let's get started. Open the setting and scroll down and go to apps and choose mail. Click on mail account, then select add account. Now there is a lot of options which you want to add. Here I'm continue with Google. Enter your email ID. Click on next. Now enter your password. Click on next. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the verification process. Click on continue. Now iOS want access to your Google account. Select all. Here continue with all. Click on continue. After signing, you will see options to sync mail, contact, calendar and notes. Turn off the option you want to sync with your iPhone and click on save. Now to verify the account whether it is added or not, click on mail. Here you can see the seanmatt@gmail.com will be added successfully in the inbox. That's it. Now you know how to add a Gmail account to your iPhone 16 running iOS 16. If this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thank you.